Hello everybody, this is PyroNut. This is our new store we're set up. It's kind of a mess right now. We had a big windstorm, so we got to get things straightened out. But we start here with some novelty things. We have our gold sticks from Biggs and flashing strobes and crackling balls and circus peanuts and chicken blowing up balloons and artificial satellites, sparklers, ground blooms, some adult snaps, kitty snaps, worms for sale from Red Rhino, of course the Buzzkill. And we have the King Cobra rockets, and over here we have the Jet Screamer rockets, and here are the Starburst rockets. They're big, hard-hitting rockets. Then we'll go back here. We have some sparklers, some big fire, some Morning Glories, 36-inch Morning Glories, little sparkler assortments. Then we have the Air Supremacy rocket and the Heartbreaker rocket. And we'll come back over here. We have the Silver Dragon from Forward, Fireworks Fiesta, Pyro Carnival, 100-shot Saturn missile batteries. And we have a few 200-gram cakes, some more 200-grammers. Fist of Fury. Some magic crystals mixed in there. The little ones, fishing effect fountains, or cake, excuse me. Citrus Surprise, and we get up here a little bit more. Optical Strike, pretty nice cake. Of course, everybody knows the Mighty Cobra, Bear Arms, the Artillerist, American Hustle, Tropical Storm, Fireball, Eye in the Sky from Hog Wild, Bamboozled, Alter Ego. Over there we have some fountains and assortments. I had to move things around. These are all fountains, excuse me. Little alien dude. Here's one for Rudy. And then over here we have the artillery shells down this row here. A couple different black boxes. We have lightsabers from Planet X, Super Magnums, Executioners, Excaliburs, some KODs, Big Pro shells, Inferno shells, Diablos, and then here's a cool shell here. It's a combination a ball shell. It's like the MIA here. It's a mine. Here's a Taste My Venom, but these are a mine shell to a break. Pretty nice. And then there's the Dominator black box. Of course, the Neon X shells. And these are nice little shells here. These Overlord 6. Restricted airspace. There's all the different bottle rockets. Some single shots from NX, SX. Some firecrackers. Some full bricks here. And this is a new item from Big. It's a Jack Flash. It's firecrackers and jumpy jacks combination. Some Roman candles. Here's the Pink Elephant 16,000 roll supercharged crackers. I'll go back over this way here. We got a lot of stuff crammed in this little tent. Here's some zipper cakes down here. Masters of My Enemies and Supply and Demand, American Guard, Regal Rocky, Minefield, Drop Zone. Some 9 on the boards here. Maddox, Big Alter Ego, Loctar from Forward. Another zipper cake for War Games, Real American Hero. Some more 500 grammers, Summer Cocktail, and first bragging rights. So yes, we can. There's a Planet X and Hardcore Pyro stuff here. Mixed in. Big Chemical Reaction. It's the Heisenberg. As everybody knows, the Breaking Bad. 9 Bad Reasons. Foul Fireworks, Lagered Up. Some Dominator stuff. Dominator, always some good things. Here's the Wild Fireworks. Every Pyro's Girlfriend. Live Gluten. Cowboy Chaos, Dark Matter. Deep Impact. Cantina Band. I seen that one. I had it at the MPEG meeting. It was really cool. Xenomorph, Smoking Aces. Lucky One. We have the Captain America. Soaring Eagle, Victorious. Time to Honor. Counter Strike. Of course, the Devastator. Sharpshooter. Full Metal Jacket. Bad Robot. Massive American, and Endgame. Then we go back over here and we have some 200 grammers. Pikmin. Another really nice little hard-hitting cake. Not very big, but she really breaks hard. It's nice. Empire, and then we have the Daytime Victory Celebration. The Jack. Get back up here. Confetti Cake and Noisy Cricket. The Neuralizer. Here's an awesome cake right here, Rebellion. Great color. Everybody's seen some videos on that recently. Cracking Skulls. And the Goody Goody. Vapor Trails. H2, another good one. Here's some Absolute from Hardcore. Silent Hill, Open Grave. The Neon Green. There's our Alabama Slammer, everybody's favorite, Big Sexy BMF. And we got the Walkers. Here's a Maddox Slam Dunk. And Certified Black Label Big Mac. I haven't seen that cake yet. And then 3H R&B. Of course, there they are again. But yeah, there it is. Sorry for the mess in here. Kind of quiet tonight. It was busier earlier, but it slowed down. But that's it. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.